Yeah. Let me quickly just what on earth is going on? I can't even. That's crazy. All right, just give me un minuto. I don't know. Testing. You hear the TV. You hear background. Oh, Pamela, welcome back. Good evening to you. Uh, Ready as you will ever be. Yes. If we're talking about the spy going bye bye, yes, I am ready as I will ever be to see the spy, in my opinion, go bye bye. I go spy go bye bye to 200. Adios. Hasta nunca. Like, get out of here, you know? Along with the market and everything, just. Ah. Yeah, how's everything with you, though? How was your day today? Um, I noticed someone was out for like half the day today, and I was wondering what happened. Why? Por qué? Bye bye, spy. Bye bye. Look, looks like it couldn't hold. It couldn't hold right now. It was as if what was this 7:15? Is the 5 minute, or is it 6:15? I can't even tell the time. Um, okay, yeah, it was 6:15. So yeah, it just started trickling down. Even broke over this area here, and now it's like in this range. Seeing if it's actually going to continue to the downside, which is what I'm hoping. Are you working right now? Is that what you're saying? What is what? Yo, what is really what? I'm so confused. What is Oh my gosh. Oh, you're Ubering. Oh shoot. You're Ubering and doing this at the same time? That goes hard. Grinding while you're listening to Lion. I do Uber sometimes myself. I do it on the weekends, just once a week, because apparently they changed the policy here where I live, and I can't even work as much as I want whenever I want, and because of specific people demanding stuff. Now that whole thing, the whole policy has changed, and now I can't earn the same as I did before. So thanks to them and thanks to Uber, I can't even grind as much as I could before. So it sucks. How wait? Do you do Uber just Ubering, or do you do Uber Eats? 'Cause I was talking about Uber Eats. Oh, That was I mean I've never gotten to work. I never gotten to work during the pandemic, which sucks because I'm pretty sure a lot of people like yourself made tons of money every week because nobody was going out and everybody stayed inside delivery ordering delivery. Oh my gosh, that would have been awesome. I would have probably had a bit more in my account. Yeah, we definitely need a move mission because uh I don't know how much more I can take just doing a security job. Standing standing in the bank 9 to 5 Monday through Friday, bored out of my mind and like losing brain cells. I mean the job is cool and everything, but come on now. Like I don't want to be doing that for a long time, so yeah, we definitely need that moon mission ASAP, or just have the market start crashing now and take advantage by hedging against the crash and getting into positions that will further secure us for a long time financially. You know, so I'm hoping that is really the case. Oh wow, wow, that is. And what's crazy is that I feel like there's so many people that are doing that or that they're in that same situation and people don't even see it. They don't even see how bad it is. And you got news, just BSing about how great the economy is and all that stuff when we got reality here settling in and people just struggling and poverty hitting new highs and it's like hello, help. People are struggling here. Like, what are you doing giving money to some other foreign country that doesn't have anything to do with us? Which is just my opinion, but it's just the system. It's just broken, man. Completely broken. But I feel like this is definitely the way. And the more you learn, the more you can grow, and the more you can finally unlock the things that you need, that all the necessities that you need. Um, as long as you're keeping a a good head on your shoulders, you're focused, you're content with life, you know you're gonna make it at the end, and we're pretty much seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. So you'll know for sure because you've grinded and you hustled for all this time, and now it's all gonna be paid off, and now you don't really have to worry about those things anymore because now you're all set financially with life and all that. And so I wish everybody, including yourself, Pam, much success, um, blessings. As Mark R says, peace, love, health, wealth, happiness, love, all that stuff, you know? And yeah. Yo, Eric, what's up, man? I'm glad you can make it. I saw you on the other channel. In that Jackie stream. I had to pop in and say what's up. But at the time my battery was low. Oh yeah, I can agree with that for sure, Pam. It's hard to it's hard to be single, but then again it's hard to you know I don't know. It's just you need a balance. You need to balance yourself out first, and of course love ourselves first, and before we decide to make the next step and everything. Or if you want to just stay single, I mean that's always up to you too as well. Whatever makes your life happier, easier, peaceful. So by all means, live your life to the fullest. Ephraim, what's up, man? Welcome back. What's up with you, man? How's everything? Nice. That's what I'm talking about. I love to hear that, Pam. Muy bien, muy bien. Encantado de la vida. Estoy muy feliz de la vida. Yo tengo un amor que me quiere, que me adora con todo el corazón. ¿Dónde estás, mi amor? ¿Dónde estás? Estarás durmiendo, yo no sé. ¿Qué pasará con ella? Yo no lo ve. Y ella no está aquí. Oh, that's cool. You say you're all about self-love, not financial advice. You're trying to Uber somebody? That sounds... I don't know. I'm trying to Uber somebody. I'm trying to get somebody to places. I'm trying to make this $20. Oh, good. You're just going home, stuck in that rush hour traffic, wondering when all these people are gonna just freaking accelerate and move. I'm trying to get home. Ah, no, Spy, do not bounce. Don't you dare consolidate. Keep going. Just keep flushing down. Oh, dude, you're gonna get say word. You're gonna get some tequila? Say word. You getting some Don Tequila? Or some Patron or the Matador? Terramana? I don't know. What kind of tequila you got, bro? 10 miles for $6? Get out of here. Yeah, they're definitely listening to you. But then again, they're bitches for like they're bitches for like you know trying to sign you off on because you decided to cancel a couple of orders or whatever or trips. That's what I gotta be worried about when I do Uber Eats. So I have to take every order, even if it's a pizza. I have to take it. But you know what's funny? I don't even have a pizza thing like that a pizza bag or the thing in the back of the bicycle to like carry the pizza. So I have to do it by my hand and just pedal. But you usually like set your mileage manually, right? But what it sucks because like it's like I don't know if it's the same as Uber, like regular Uber compared to Uber Eats delivery drivers, but like you can't cancel so like can't cancel a certain amount of times, or else they'll boot you off. They'll boot you offline. Is that the case for you, Pam? Kimador, never heard of that one. I heard not all tequilas are created equal. Like some of them are not what they say they are. You know what I'm saying? Like got some cheap ones. Hey, what the hell's going on with GameStop? This is completely different to like what I was seeing yesterday. And when I made that video, I mean it did break over 25. I give GME that. 25.38 was the high, but after that it was just hitting a big wall and then just dropping the actually end up here on the 200-day moving average on the 5 minute chart. Get a little George W here, and then pop right back over. That's crazy. I guess the same thing here because it did a W here as well. Where the heck is the market thingy? Where is it? Oh shoot. Okay. Um, my acceptance rate is sheesh, but I do the standard mileage. What do you do? Like 5 miles or 10 miles? Oh, your daughter used to do Postmates. Oh, got it. That's when things were a lot better around that time. I think around what 2019, and then became Uber Eats afterwards. Who took over? It was Uber, right? Keep my dirt cheap, but I like it with squirt. What the hell? What do you like to squirt in there? I hope you're talking about a lime. Oh, but you know what they caught my attention though? What actually caught my attention was the way that GME here, even though hold up, I need my marker. Where's my marker at? What is this? Hold on. Oh, there it is. I don't know, something weird about this. I mean, it looked like it took the same. It went through the same type of algo, but uh, it looked like AMC picked up a lot more volume than it did on GME, and it actually went up higher, which is surprising to see. Where's my pen? Damn it! What you doing? Playing these games, yo. Give me my pen. It's not even want to load. Uh, he, oh yeah, line. It was popping. Oh, the soda. Oh, squirt. Oh, the soda squirt. Dude, I don't think I've ever had squirt before. I don't think I've ever tried that soda. Unless I could be wrong on it. And it was like something from like the 90s. It was like a green soda with a yellow wrapper around it. I gotta I gotta find it. I gotta find it and see if it's that what I'm talking about. Let's see. Oh, maybe it is. Hold on, it's yellow. Yeah, it is. Oh, it is. It is. Oh shoot! Wow, this thing was out like. Oh, it's a grapefruit flavor, and it came out 86 years ago. Yeah, I definitely remember this. Then I didn't really buy much of this soda though when I was a kid, but I was more into like Sprite and Pepsi. But wow, wow, what is this? Citrus and berry soda? That sounds good. Oh shoot. Say word. Oh, Squirt competes primarily against the Coca-Cola company's Fresca. Of course, I wouldn't want to buy anything from the Coca-Cola company. Fuck out of here. Interesting, though. That's interesting. Me gusta, me gusta. I like that. Gusta mucho. Fanta, yeah, Fanta I used to drink too. I used to like drinking the orange Fanta. I might have drank the grape one, but then again I stuck to the regular. I like ginger ale soda. What else? There's that Dominican soda too. Like it's called Country Club. I don't know if you guys had that too before. It's called merengue soda. This this thing right here. This thing right here is the shiznit. Raspberry soda. Dominican soda. Let's see. Oh, Uber Eats. Look at that. Speaking of Uber, listen to me. Yeah, this thing has been out for ages. Since way since before I was a kid. And they got oh, okay, never mind. But yeah, that was the shit back then too. You love DP? Excuse me? DP soda? Hold on. Dr. Pepper. Oh, say word. Yo, you threw me off for a second. I'm so sorry. Yeah, Eric is gonna have me like, he's gonna be like, yo. Yo. Oh, you like that DP? God, copy. Say no more. I got you. Okay. Yo, they got. I remember this too. I remember Dr Pepper cream soda. That was a good one. I never tried the strawberries and cream. I know that was somewhat new. Yeah, I remember when they were bringing out the cream soda, like the Pepsi, Dr Pepper. I forgot others. I think there was one that was called Bark, but I think that was root beer. Can't remember. God, it's been ages. cat cat is cooler. Oh, you're gonna get a DP shirt. You know what's funny? I actually have a DP shirt too. I've been having it for like a couple of years. It's so legit. I swear to you, it looks like. Let me see. My lady loves me in that shirt. Let me see. Oh, not short. Jeez. One. It's gotta be somewhere. Um, not sponsored by the way, guys. Not sponsored. Um, okay, so it looks something like this. Nice, heather type, but it was more like throwing pink, and then the logo it had the dark red around it. So I got that. I got that Dr Pepper shirt. Let me see. I don't got it. Cactus cooler. Yeah, I got the DP shirt. Yeah, that's right. DP. Cactus cooler sounds like Capri Sun. Why does it sound like Capri Sun, dude? Cactus cooler. Uh, I'd never. Wow. Is this like West Coast or something? Like where is this from? I can't believe I'm actually. Wow, orange pineapple soda actually sounds really good. Hold on. Cactus cooler. Cactus cooler. Yeah, okay. I was right. I said West Coast. Primarily in Southern California and the surrounding southern southwestern United States. Um, wow, okay. I'm pretty sure I'd have to ship it over here. There's some things in the West Coast that the East Coast don't even have. Add tequila to the cactus cooler. Wait, hold on. You guys are all from the West Coast? I'm just guessing because y'all talking about West Coast stuff. Oh, cactus cooler. Speaking of, cooler was actually up 9%. So whatever's going on with cooler, it's actually holding up a bit. You could take a look at the 24-hour chart for cooler. Look at this pattern here. It actually doesn't look bad at all. So this could actually pull off maybe, I don't know, because it looks like to me like an inverse head and shoulders. And maybe this will start to pop back up and try to test 50 cents again. And I forget because like remember they got that that contract with Lockheed Martin. So I'm thinking that I'm thinking defense. I'm thinking war and stuff like that. Maybe there's some correlation there. I don't know. Must be me. You're in the East Coast, Pam. Okay, me too. I know you in the West Coast. Okay, you and Ephraim on the West Coast. Gotcha. East side. Now West side. East side. Let's see how this looks like on the 4 hour. You still got cooler? Not financial advice. Do you still have a position in cooler or like? Looks like a good swinging opportunity for sure. Because it definitely hit a bottom here at 25 cents, and now it's at 40. So that's a good move so far. Right over the other EMA clouds, so that's supposed to be bullish. Because you'll usually have a trend that'll go like this, and then have everything else start to climb back up more and up more. Shit, if that was the case, I can like get me some 50 cent calls for like January or something. Not financial advice. West side of the east side. Johnny, what's up, man? There I am. There I is. There I always was. Except for when I'm at work, 9 to 5. Just dreadful. Like like sometimes I wish that I could be home streaming too as well. Cause I saw that DZ wasn't on for like majority of the day, and then out of nowhere, like he streamed like what, like an hour before market close or something like that, and I was like, damn, like I wish I was home. I wish I was home to stream to fill in for a substitute. So imagine that, like if he doesn't stream, I pop in. They're like, yo, I'm filling in for DZ. What's going on? Welcome to the Lion's Den. Throw your flaming bananas on the chat. Flaming bananas and rockets. And then just chill and have fun with everybody. Culero. Pinche culero. ¿Qué onda, wey? What's going on with you, Johnny? So yeah, we're looking at this culero over here, cooler. And maybe see some action, Holmes. You know what I'm saying? Like we could see some action. We push it back past 50 cent over that resistance, and qué pedo, man. Like mucha cosa pasando en el mercado. Orale, So, let's see. What about the hourly? Hourly looks like it's having a nice potential ascending wedge. Let's see. How's it? Or maybe it's just following this channel. Let me see something. Hey, why can't I clone this? Oh, there you go. Well, I'm guessing we're. This is looking like a nice channel here going up. In the meantime, we'll keep this here for future reference. But man, it looks like either that or it could be a head and shoulders. Maybe we'll start to pull back down around 38 cents, 36 to 38, around there. Because it looks like there's a divergence happening on the MACD on the hourly, but If the RSI holds up here, this can consolidate and then try to go for a break over 43 cents. In my opinion, not financial advice. Okay, Machachuchi. Oh yeah, who's from? I think somebody said they were from Machachuchi or Macha Chacha or Massachusetts. Oh, I think that was Rick Potter. Oh, you see, I spoke it to existence. Look what happened. Oh, it's already 8 o'clock. Damn. Well, market after market is over. So what we ended up here with GME looks like, sheesh. Like it's just getting beat down. But oh, even AMC looks like it's just gonna be one of those like little hiccups, and then to get back to where it was before at 446, 450. I really think this is kind of like market influenced because not a lot of real volume is happening with these two, in my opinion. Everything's just it's just like it's like a monitor, at the hospital. You got a little, you know. Chupacabra. Don't say it 3 times. Oh, word. Yeah. What's your background, by the way? I'm curious. Cause I don't know, Johnny already said culero, so I'm sure he's Mexican. What about you, yo? What about you, Eric and Pam? Where y'all from? What's your background? Do 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 do. Shoot. Let me look at how the call options are looking like for GME, expiring this Friday. Ooh. Pam is in Norte, Florida. Oh, just like Jesse Julbe that goes on DZ stream and comes here too sometimes. From Florida too. I kid you not. My cousin and his family moved out of Florida to go back to Tennessee because he said that things are getting so expensive in Florida. It's no joke. It's no joke. Middleburg sounds like country. Like you got a lot of green going around there. Got some farms over there in Florida. I got some farms in Middleburg, Florida. Gainesville, Georgia? I was just guessing. I was just guessing that there was a lot of greens over there. Oh, you it's a it's a Mexicano Native American part-time machachucho. Machachucho. Where does that side come from? Oh, cows? Yeah. Mmm. 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 Oh, you got Florida gators there too. Oh, have you ever had to hunt one? You ever hunt a gator before? Have you ever had a baby gator pop out of your toilet and go snap snap? Looks like there's high volume and open interest for that $24 call, which they're probably gonna try to bring it out of the money as well. That's why weeklies are so like risky, especially when you don't know what something is happening that week, and you're just like putting like going all in on weeklies, and then nothing happens, and you're like, oh, fuck, I just lost like 1K because I thought it was gonna go up to like $25, and then they just put me out of money. So that's why I'm always saying just to give yourself time, a lot more time ahead. $30 strike for July 19th expiration, showing some signs of volume and open interest. It's pretty high. That's really high. And the $125 strike. Yeah, that's I would like to see that print. I tried gator meat jerky. No, I just wow, why did I feel like I was gonna gag? Gator meat jerky. Oh no. Whoa. Wait, is it that good? Is it, I mean, does it, as long as it tastes like chicken, I mean, there's go nothing wrong with that, but gator meat jerky, that's crazy. Yo, that's hilarious. Like there's always a lot more open interest and volume on the 125 strike. But every other expiration date I'm pulling up right now, that I'm seeing it right there, like $125 strike for the January 17, 2025 calls, 15,611 open interest, 1,000 volume. June 25th, 2025. I mean June 20th. Oh, it's not much actually, but it's expensive as hell. Let me see what AMC looks like. Oh shoot. Then that's a lot of volume right here. It's like the $5, $5.50, $6 strikes here expiring this Friday. Got a decent amount of open interest and volume here. Still risky though. But I mean, yeah, that's risky. Because look at the barcoding action there from that. They could try to pull this back down to like I said, back to 450, 445 around there. Yeah, everything with beer tastes good because you can definitely kill the stuff that you don't want to think that you're eating, like gator or maybe horse or llamas or emus and stuff like that. Look, speaking of Jesse, we were just talking about you like 5 minutes ago. You got another well, actually Jesse was from my neighborhood, but she's in Florida now too. But yeah, yo. How's everything with you, Jesse? Welcome back. We're doing good. We're just chilling. We're just here hanging with the peeps. Hanging with the peeps right now. And just actually just having casual talk, just getting to know our backgrounds, talking about soda. Talk about tequila. I don't know. We're just vibing here. So, but I hope everything is good with you though. How's everything? Uber is dead on a Wednesday. That's tough. Can you do Uber Eats too as well? Oh, oh, Jesse is single again. Say word. She is open for the market, y'all. She's looking for Prince Charming. So if you could do Uber and Uber's dead, you can do Uber Eats and just do that instead. Wait, so are you doing Uber Uber Eats and DoorDash still? Like you putting in that grind. Let's go ahead and check what Spy Futures is doing right now. I'm hoping for a crash tomorrow. I got some puts I need to print like now. You can see here it definitely fell right below the 3450 EMA cloud and the 180 200 EMA cloud too as well. So bearish divergence here. We're most likely gonna come back here at 55.18, 55.20 at some point and start testing new day lows. And we're pretty much like 2 days away from PCE data. Was it PCE inflation? How do you call that? Wow, look, even the 4 hour looks bearish too. SQQQ, people are loading up on SQQQ like crazy too, which I noticed. I drive the teens, pet, Uber, X, DoorDash, Walmart, Delivery, anything and everything. Oh my god, just caking it, just running three apps at the same time. If it's not Uber, it's Shop and Pay. If it's not Shop and Pay, it's Instacart. It's not Instacart, it's DoorDash. Let's see. Get that. Oh yeah, get that money. What's the next play of the week? You gotta get you some of that cooler, that big cooler. Just ask Eric. He knows about that big cooler. But I'm starting to think that Oh shoot, yeah. We did a double bottom here. I'm gonna expand this here for a little bit. Yeah, it looks like it looks like it wants to rebound here. Let me see. Where's my little handy dandy? This climbs back over, goes back in and starts to converge like that. You know what I'm saying? And then you got the RSI bouncing up, so that means that you could have the potential for SQQQ to start breaking into new day highs tomorrow. Maybe back to 850, 865 and change around there. I'm just looking at it based on like the last time it actually touched it around this area. Let me see. Hold on. I'll tell you right now. Yeah, around 870 right here on Monday. Came back down. Looks like it's filling a gap back up. 840. Yeah. It's like it's gonna be ready to just come back up here at this resistance at 870. And after that, we got that next test at $9. So let's see. Pam likes DP, and Lion has it open for DP. Sure. Oh shoot. But yeah, for cooler. Oh, and I'm gonna talk to you about that too in a second. I'm gonna talk to you about that. Where's cooler at? I'm lost. Where'd the cooler go? Cooler. Oh, there you go. Cooler. So yeah, pretty much like I was just talking about how cooler could be like a nice opportunity to swing some chairs. I said not chairs, shares. And when I'm zooming out, it looks like looks like a Head and Shoulders inverse, Head and Shoulders. So we had this play out, and then we have a retest of 42 cents, and then if it breaks over that, then it can possibly try to break through 46 cents and maybe 50 cents. Not right away, but it'll probably take some time. That's why I feel like this could be like I said, could be a great swing, scalping, trade, whatever you want to call it. More like a swing. We're swinging it, and then not financial advice too. So, but this was at a low of like 25 cents around like middle of June. So this was overall like a good setup, and it was a good trade too to take. And you gained pretty much here from this point, right over 67 cents, almost 70 cents. I mean, not 70 cents. I mean 70% gain from June 7th all the way to today. So, but yeah, if you look at the 24 hour, the 24 hour also looks pretty tough. Oh, you know what? Oh, I was gonna say there was a little gap here to fill, right around 42 to 45 cents. Is there any other gaps here? Oh, there's still this gap over here too, around 69 cents, 70 cents. I gotta keep an eye on that and see what happens. Interesting. Yo, Panther, what's good, Panther? Welcome back. Oh, and did y'all play Faraday? Because apparently, well, I didn't look at the news for Faraday, but Faraday was popping. Like literally, I was just talking about this on Monday on a live stream, and how this could present a nice scalping opportunity. I don't know if anybody had remembered that, but yeah, because now that we were just finding out about the reverse stock split possibility of that being implemented if they voted and whatever. Also, that they had to meet the requirements for the bid and to stay over $1 to meet the compliance for NASDAQ to stay listed. And if they didn't make it, then they had a deadline coming up, I think tomorrow, or I don't know if it's the end of this week, or I could be wrong, but yeah, look, this was pretty much like right as soon as market opened, this thing started going crazy. This thing went from like 29.5 cents or 30 cents all the way to a high of 60 cents. So that right there could have got you a good 100% gain in 35 minutes. In 35 minutes, a 100% gain. It's pretty wild. And the fact that it actually looks like it still wants to continue, because look, consolidation pulled back a little bit, then we had a bounce off these clouds, and then now it's back over this cloud and consolidating, and now we have like another potential breakout here, and it closed at around 51 cents. So who knows if this actually has uh, another run for tomorrow. You know, when we open, maybe this can go to like 75 cents or 80 cents, and then cap it from there, and then not make it the dollar. So then it won't be able to meet the requirements, and then they have to force on the whole reverse split, and then they'll probably reverse split it like 120 or 140. That's just my prediction on that. It's my opinion on what I think, because again, they have to meet that. They have to reach over a dollar. But who's to say what the CEO or what the board of directors are gonna do? But pretty much here, like I didn't know this, but after strategic meeting with United Arab Emirates based investment firm, and it says it hosted a Sheikh Abdullah bin Mohammed Al Qasimi, CEO of United Emirates Arab Emirates based Master Investment Group at its Los Angeles headquarters for a strategic meeting. And the visit was a pivotal moment for them as they shared insights and strengthened the collaboration plans moving forward for Faraday. So that's pretty crazy. So yeah, due to that news, that's what made it go crazy. Mark Maddox, welcome back, dude. Welcome back, Data Zero. What's up, man? No, what happened? I was wondering why I didn't see you online. Hopefully everything is good with you, bro. Like everything at home with family and everything like that. Hopefully everything is good. And yeah, man. Hope to see you tomorrow. And thank you, man. Thank you. I'm trying my best with the titles. trying to get people in and liking the stream. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. You heard? Yeah, I really do like those gaps. I like to fill the gaps too. Real good. My lady knows. I haven't seen Microvision in like 2 years. Ever since they had this what was it? Microvision had some crazy rally, and I remember that. I think it was like 3 years ago. Let me see. Let me look at the weekly. Oh yeah, this was it right here. This here. This event, whatever took place around this time, this thing went bananas. This came from a bottom like about below $1. Not even. This was at around during the pandemic. This was like around 26-30 cents, and then it started climbing back up, hitting $2, $3, around that range, and then all of a sudden around December of 2020, this thing started going crazy. Every week it started climbing up, and it reached a high of $28. So yeah, so from like 20 cents, 15-20 cents all the way to like $28 was a massive gain. You're talking about if you got in at that point and held all the way till here, that is over 5,000% gain in approximately, in a year, pretty much. More than a year. 392 days to be exact. 5.3%, 5.3K% gain. Massive. I'm pretty sure this is heavy in short interest because you got all of this, piece of dookie hitting back lows from 2020, pretty much. From 2020 back to pandemic lows. Microvision. And who's to say this is actually going to create another cycle and another explosion that will lead to another short squeeze on Microvision. That would be insane, right? So we'll take a look. We'll actually take a closer look now. I'll give this a little. Oh shoot! Okay. Look, even on the weekly, you have the floor being lava on the RSI, and not only that, but we're experiencing somewhat of a nice morning star action here, a reversal. Got this long bull wick here on this weekly candle, and then you have this big engulfing green candle here going up and trying to test over 110, 115 around there. So by the end of this week, it has to break over that level, and then next week it needs to break over 120. But yeah, look, the MACD looks super tight. Again, the weekly chart looks tight and looks like it wants to converge and start to cross into the green. You know, I see some green here, and then the RSI here too as well to converge and cross over. Looks good. It looks good. I'm not gonna lie, it looks good in my opinion. And any of you guys traded Microvision in the past before? Let me know in the chat. Oh, the 24-hour too. Ooh. I like that. Ooh, just got goosebumps. And it has like the slow incline here on the MACD, and it's slowly climbing up, like literally making a channel upward. And you see the cloud here, the 9 to 12 EMA cloud here is getting thinner to the point where it's going to start to twist and then turn green and start to go through its I guess if you want to call it a little bull cycle there for MVIS Microvision. What's going on here? Oh, okay. Let me see something. Yeah, sheesh. I like this. I like how this is going. I like how this is going for sure. Let me look at the Fintel for MVIS. Give me 1 second. Oh my. Wow. Jesus. Okay. Oh my God. Oh, I want to fill that gap so bad. So deep. Look at that. Short interest of 53,598,515. Short interest ratio with 21.72 days to cover. That is really high. I forgot what this means, but I know supposedly like that's like a big deal. Seeing that amount of days to cover. And the short interest percentage of the float 26.22%. Wow. Wow. Wait, Eric, are you still here? Dude, who started talking about microvision? Cuz that is insane, dude. And I look, and you have no shares available to borrow. You have no shares available to borrow. As of 15 hours ago, updated a minute ago. Do I dare look at the cost of borrow fees? Oh, okay, okay. All right, so it's all right. It's decent. It's decent. But at 16.78% cost of borrow fee. It was at 30% here back on the 19th of June. So it's still holding up a bit. But damn. 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 Let's look if there's any anything crazy going on here on Twitter. Huh. What is this? Oh. Is there nothing like? Is there nothing recent about it, or I'm confused? These fake. Come on, these are fake. Like, come on now, stop. Anybody with like an actual post or something? Let me see. Okay. I guess. It was on it was on his channel. Oh. Okay, so alright. 25% shorted. And it's still 20, well, it's 26% shorted. So it's gone up since then, since the beginning of June. The right tape with meme stocks ripping. I wonder. Hmm. Okay. All right. Okay. I like what I see. I like what I see. I like what I see. You splooged so hard and my ears exploded. Oh, my bad, guys. I was I got a little excited. But yeah, overall the trend here as I'm going from the daily all the way down to like the 6 hour chart, the 4 hour chart. This is such a this is really like interesting. Like I like this setup. My opinion, I like the setup, and it looks like it's definitely building that confidence in that it's gonna continue to go up. That this is the start of a bull cycle for Microvision. There's some type of news that comes out and bam, it starts to pop like crazy. In my opinion. Let me see if there's anything exciting on the options chain. Anything exciting on the options chain? Let's see. Okay. There's some activity for the $1.50 on July 19th. August 16th. Weeklies? I don't do weeklies. The monthlies. Monthlies are seeing some activity there too. November, somewhat. $2 strike. November 15 could the $2 strike could be that looks good. Okay, you see there's way more open interest here, of course, for the January 2025 options chain. Especially you got the $5 strike here with a 6,992 open interest with 42 volume, and then some for the $4 strike. I like that. Nothing here. Some there. So January, January or August. August or January? August or January? Huh. August or January? I mean, obviously, if you play safe, go to January. Not financial advice, but that's something I'm gonna have to like look into a little bit deeper. Deeper, yes. Oh, Jesse, he pops in and then he pops out. It just says the two things and then he leaves. But always shows support, so I appreciate him for that. Oh my god. How far is $2? Where is the last gap? There's no gaps here. What's the last one? Oh. Oh. I'm just doing something random here. It's a little tiny gap here above $5. Can you imagine this? Hold on. I'll show you real quick. From here. Is this how they do it? I think this is how they do the bars pattern thing, right? Go like this. You imagine this happens? Huh. Huh. Take this with a grain of salt. I'm just messing around here. I'm just messing around with this. But just imagining how this would actually look like if it were to like go crazy and pop. Deeper. Ooh, deeper. Let's see. So Rivian was good yesterday. It was good yesterday. But then it decided to sell off afterwards. So it was like kind of like a P&D in a way, but it didn't drop. It didn't drop to the point where people would be concerned of Rivian to go back down to where it was before. So yeah, I knew that. I knew it. I knew that was gonna happen. Technicals. Deeper. Notice that all of a sudden you hear a lot about reading charts with candles and a lot of things about trading on Facebook. Too much advertising about that. Yeah, what's up with that? I've never even noticed that, and that's because like I barely even go on Facebook in general, because fuck Facebook. But like yeah, I never really realized that at all. That's wild. That is wild. Is it for like is it like individual people and advertising their stuff on trading and what do you say? And charts with candles, or is it like companies like advertising on Facebook? I'm gonna leave this bars pattern here just for fun. Imagine it, because if it fails and it actually follows this bars pattern, yo, I'm gonna freak out. Because it's like, wait, how did you do that, Lion? Are you psychic? No, I don't have a crystal ball. Sorry, I just took a bars pattern from the last rally and I just added it to this present trading pattern right now. But anyway, um, let's see what else is going on. So you said Rivian. Oh, well, Rivian got a little gap up, which I would think that it would have a gap to fill back down, right? Oh, yeah. Let me look at it from the 24-hour. Yeah. Oh shoot. Yeah. Oh yeah. So now, I wonder if this is how they actually do it. I mean, all right. I'm gonna do something here. Let's do something here. But I'm gonna change the color and just do this. Cause maybe it'll start to fill back this gap back down from here from where is it, from 14 to like $12, and then find a bottom here and start to reverse and come back up, or you know, because that was a big rally, and all of a sudden like we thought that perhaps it was gonna go and try to hit the next gap here, maybe above $22, which would take some time. But yeah, this thing literally was like up and down, and then it looks like it still has some room to go, and that mainly also because the market as well. I feel like it could fill this gap back down and have the market pull with it in some ways, and then find a bottom and start to come back up again. It could be the case. Wait, Lion, the feuds are boning down, and you're not giving the horny play-by-play. Hold on. Okay. Hold on. Are you serious? Is it boning down? Is it really Oh my god. No. Hold on. Are you for real? Hold on. Oh my god, feuds are boning down. Say word. It's down 0.45%. Oh shoot. What's up, native gamer? Oh, and it's thundering outside. It must be a sign. It must be a sign for dark days ahead on the market. We're coming down. And We're gonna see something. I really hope it continues. Come on now. Don't be afraid to come down. Just another 10%. Correct itself. You know. Come back down here to come back down here to mommy. To papi. Go back down to this gap here. This gap that you've been wanting to fill up here for a while. Right at 54.40. I still think it has potential to do. Look on the daily, you have the start of the divergence. Et de bearish divergence. Crossing right underneath that orange line and perhaps continuing down, slope down to then see the SPY, the S&P 500, turn back down. Let's see, hold on. Where the A? What happened to oh, there it goes. Yeah, and look. Then you got the RSI here. Literally at the brink of touching that orange line and crossing right underneath it. Oh, that would definitely be it right there. The sweet spot. The confirmation that you need to confirm that this is the end of the bullish market, and perhaps now the beginning of the biggest correction of all time, in my opinion. Not financial advice. You might think so. It's just speculation. And it could fill back into this gap here. Still got this gap here to fill. Shoot. So many gaps to fill. Huh. What do you guys think about that, huh? That P and D, my God, the SPY is gonna be one of the biggest. What is it called, kids?
The P and D. Yeah, that's right, kids. It's another one of those P and Ds on the chart, but now we're seeing it on the long time frame for the SPY. And look what's happening now. We're gonna see this happen, and all of a sudden we have a huge correction, pretty much completing the whole transition of the P and D.
Hey, hey, you know what's funny? Hey, you know what's funny? Like, I'll go crazy if I'm even like, if that was like literally what was to happen in this next couple of weeks, and I would flip out. I would flip the F out, because I'm like, yo, really? I've been waiting for this. I've been waiting for this my whole entire life. And since it's actually coming back down, I really hope that you guys have been hedging. No, seriously, on like, all jokes aside, I really hope that you guys, in my opinion, have been hedging for this. And that means, you know, loading up on anything that's inverse the S&P 500, QQQs. I mean, you guys, SQQQ. All right, look, you got this on. This is the hourly, and it's coming down hard. Look at this. Look at what is transpiring in front of our eyes. We literally just broke the tip of this wick from the 26th. I mean, well, that was today, but we literally broke the last day low of 55.16. Well, it's back to 555. Yeah, it's pretty much there. The trend is your friend. Play with it. All right, respect it. And if you know what you're doing, oh my God, you're gonna print so much. Look at this. Look, you got the RSI here on the 45-minute, sloping down hard, and the MACD2 as well. I love it a lot. A lot. It's so good. I like it. So I really hope that means that if it continues, then maybe my puts can print tomorrow, because I am holding some $540 strike puts for tomorrow's expiration. Yeah, I'm a degenerate. I'm a degenerate. I admit it. I have a problem. But yeah, I think definitely they definitely broke the market. There's no stopping this, and I've heard from others, and I think YouTubers saying that hedge funds are selling the tech stocks at the top, and I think we are definitely at the top, ladies and gentlemen. So by all means, let us have our 70% correction. How would this correction look like? Let's find out. Let's do the daily. Um, what would a 70% correction look like? Oh damn. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Wait, hold on. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Oh wow, that's only. This is only 25%. And the S&P 500 would be at like 4,100. Okay, let's Okay, hold on. 40. Okay, so if it was a 45% correction, S&P 500 would be at 3,000. Oh wow, that'll be sick. That'll be sick. Goodness gracious. That would trigger a lot of stuff. Oh, you'd be having domino effects left and right, and hedgies to be paying the piper for that. Jesus. How come I didn't get a heads up? I'm sad. Oh, so yeah. Welcome back, Zelly, to the stream. Good morning to you. Good evening. Good morning. Good something. Hope you had a wonderful sleep, and you're ready for this morning or time. I don't know. Yeah. Hope you're ready for that coffee and milk, and maybe some bread. And good to see you. Much love to you. Big hearts. And yeah. Rise and shine. Anyway, so we're just looking at the SPY right now, and as Panther, aka Moistly, aka Elongated Popsicle, aka MFin, and Stuffin' McMuffin, the futures are boning down. We're literally looking at it right now live, and it's boning down. So if let's see, if the S&P 500 futures is at 55.18, that means the SPY is probably at 540. It's probably at 542 right now. Let's find out. Let's find out. Because we saw the SPY close at 545. The SPY is now at drum roll, please. 543.59. So down almost $2. It was at 543.32. How wonderful. How wonderful. Can we continue, please? Rise and shine. Love of my life. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Wait, hold on. I know I saw Pam say something. Hold on. William mentioned a gap he filled in 1972 on stream. Okay, Native Gamer says the market is broken. Oh, I'm gonna fall asleep listening. Background has me chilling. Like, oh, you're talking about the music. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's the vibes. It's the vibes. Let's let's all relax and meditate to this jam. And Native Gamer is saying that 55513 looks like the next level of support, which is where here. Let's see. 513 around here. What we'd like to see is a 10% fall right now. And that would be where? Where? That would be, oh, not even, okay. So maybe that'll be, okay, maybe that'll be, wait, no, maybe lower. Okay, maybe lower than that. Wait, 10% drop, that would be around back to 49.66, 49.65. Jeez, I never knew how big a correction would be and it would fall that much. Goodness. That is insane. Well, I mean, it is a quadruple digit priced stock, so it makes sense. Even a 5% drop is a big deal for the S&P 500. Vino di, what is KG? Oh right, I was splooging because I saw this. This is for Microvision. Zelly. Zelly. Oh. Dame. Oh. So yeah. I listen. I don't know if you guys think this means something big. Just seeing the short interest ratio at 21.72 days to cover. And a short interest percentage float of 26.22%. What do you think about that? That sounds crazy. So just to go back on Microvision just to show you how that's looking like. You're in the daily time frame. Okay. So we hit a bottom here at what we see. I keep saying we're not hitting bottoms here. We're just looking at a stock. So pretty much the floor is lava. It's super hot. We got the MACD here crossing over, slowly inclining in the green. And Mavis here is finding a bottom here at 89 cents, 86 cents, and now climbing, closed over $1, making new highs every day. Ignore the fractal here. I mean, this bars pattern. I was just messing around with it. Maybe it'll follow. If it did, then I guess I'm a genius. I don't know. But yeah, that was just something that we were looking at, and every time we would go smaller in the time frame, the trend just looks awesome overall. Hopefully that it continues. So that's what we were looking at. But definitely, you can definitely rewind back in the stream with whatever you missed. Damn, it's 9 o'clock. But yeah. Okay. No. Okay. See, S&P 500. Nobody's asking you to do a reversal right now. Okay. I'm asking you to give me a 10% correction right now. for tonight. Thank you very much. All right. We got people in SQQQ that need to print. Not financial advice. What? Wait, did he say what KG is? I don't know. I'm higher than rent right now. Oh, are you talking about you're higher than rent? Like higher. Got you. So yeah, speaking of relaxing, please feel free to share my lo-fi music channel on YouTube called Concrete Jungle City, and show some love and hit that subscribe button. Will ya? Thank you. What's going on here? Oh, wait, what's the congrats for? Oh, that she's single again? Free again! Independent me! Free again! Back in circulation now. Time for a celebration now. Time to have my party. Free again. Independence me free again. But I'm not free. I am in love. That is my freedom. My freedom is my love. What is going? Oh, I thought I had a message on my Discord. Damn. It's not. I saw a Discord symbol, and then I thought, I'm sad now. I miss my baby. NBA. Wait, hold on. Oh, Jesse is single. Hit her up, native. I'm joking. Let's see. Your subscriber count went down by 20 during that Frank Sinatra impression. Oh my god. Oh wow. I guess I wasn't dreaming after all. God, it's a dream. Well, no, it's a dream come true. Fucking love you. Ouch. I have not chosen my partner as of yet. One day, your partner will arrive and will come when you at least expect it. Filling the gaps here for the spy, perhaps maybe at 5,500. So that could be the possibility here. Or it could try to, in the short term, try to pop back up here, which I don't want you to do. I want you to continue with the bearish divergence and fall like 20%, 50%. So it is a possibility. Okay. Hey, listen, you focus on you, girl. You focus on your markets. All right, you focus on making your money. Finding that stability. Finding that financial freedom that I know we all gonna get, okay? All right, you're gonna have a lot coming to you, and that's a promise, okay? All right, so count this as a blessing, all right? Count this as a big opportunity in your life because you know things are definitely gonna work out for you, girl. And I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Uh-huh. So always do that. Always manifest. Positive vibes as always, as Zelly like to say. Positive vibes. And by all means, no, seriously. Seriously, by all means, I really hope that you guys are hedging against what's to come. Right? Right? So if we can look quickly at SQQQ since we're talking about the futures of the SPY. What would that mean for SQQQ? Well, we have here potential double bottom, and the double bottom seems like it's wanting to fulfill because now that you see the S&P 500 futures coming down a bit, and look, even here, look, pretty much runs inverse. So what would happen the next day? It would actually try to climb over 840. Maybe it'll open at 850 and start to head back to 865 around here, that resistance, and start making new day highs. All right, and so that's what I'm thinking right now. And can you just like imagine here, because you know you have so much here to climb up over. Do we have any gaps here other than the fact that this thing like, I don't know, but this thing is looking so hot under RSI on a weekly too. I just wonder when that opportunity will come. It looks like it's gonna definitely come soon, just like that. And we have a little bounce here too on the RSI, so that literally gave us that indicator right there that we would see the market come down a little bit hard. What's going on here? Oh, what the hell? Oh, it's got a message on Discord. Panther, I really hope you didn't send me anything. You know, I that's off stream. I'm joking. Let's see. Oh, Iris. I remember, Native. You brought that to my attention, to everybody's attention here. Iris. Where's Iris at? As a matter of fact, where's Bitcoin at? Wee. Okay, so look at how this has been trending for the past couple of days. Nowhere near in sight for Bitcoin to actually pop back up, unless you know this were to happen. But it doesn't look like that right now because the trend is actually trying to head back to 59k, and of course if it breaks past this last wick here at like what 58,000 and change, then we can definitely hit new day lows here on Bitcoin. And if that's the case, then you already see, you know, other cryptos coming down with it, like Shiba Inu, and then you got Doge, you know, pretty much doing the same patterns and all that stuff. Iron though, where's Iron? I had it on here, but I'm gonna look it up here. Iris. Ooh, okay. Oh, no bueno. Me no likey. So if it drops, if Bitcoin drops to like 58, 57k, yeah, miners no bueno, because miners go back down. See, they go back down, and then they go, you know, making continuation of the divergence here, as you see here on the 4-hour MACD. It failed to cross over here. It failed to, you know, break through. Now it's coming down. Okay, RSI 2 as well. Avoided crossing the orange line. Now it's coming down. So yeah, long term wise, it's like it's what you call maybe a long term. Yeah, that's right, kids. Say it again with me.
The P and D. Yeah.
All right. So not necessarily a PND. You know that unless something big happened and you see crypto Bitcoin just tanking the hell out and it goes back to 40K, then you might see Iris back here and reaching those lows. I mean, that's a big slump here. I'm gonna keep that there just in case. Well, actually, hold on. Maybe, just maybe. Yeah. Thank you, Zelly, for sharing the stream. I appreciate you so much. Mi corazón. You are a cat lady. Wow. Would you would you prefer? Hold on. I see llamas, not alligators. Fun fact. Uno momento, por favor. Sí, uno moment. One moment, please. Yes. Pam, if some guy knocks on your car window with a DP shirt, do crack a window definition. Oh my god. Fun fact, that's how me and my lady fell in love. Well, that's how my lady fell in love with me. I had a DP shirt, and the something about the color that just attracted her, and then she saw my face and she was like, "Oh my god,
Oh, I love you, baby. Ooh, 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 ooh.
I'm being stupid right now." Oh my god. Hey. Oh, there he goes. Thank you for sharing the stream on the Discord. Yeah, and if you haven't already, join the Discord, folks. It's absolutely free. I'm not charging anything for that. And just come in and have some fun. And you know what I'm saying? Conformation? Yo, it's Big JR. Big JR, you got that notification? What's good, fam? What is good? What has been happening with you, JR, and in these days, in these couple of weeks? Let's catch up with ketchup. Only 9 hours to go to break Williams' live record. Yeah, if I could do that, oh gosh. I mean, I can. No, technically I can. I can do it, but I just have to make sure that I'm well hydrated. You know, I got some good food, and in between, you know, I do some push-ups like every half hour. You know, 10. Well, I would say 20 push-ups every half hour. And then by the time you know it, like, if I kept doing that for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I'll be jacked. And then she's gonna be like, "Ooh, baby, you got the muscles." And just feel it. Oh my god. Please and subscribe. Thank you. Yes, Pam. with the please and sub. If anything, please share because we're really trying to break our new record of 500 subs. And you know what that means? Okay, been busy with the business, getting ready. Oh, nice, nice. I wish her the best. I wish her the best. Much success in college. Stay focused, stay sharp. Get them A+s and make daddy proud. What? From Colombia? Pam is from Colombia? Colombia or you? Oh, what is that? Columbia? Oh, nah, I don't know. I was thinking Columbia University. Yeah, if you're still here, native, yeah, just watch out. Watch out for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Because if it, okay, so here's the deal. Like, if it decided, okay, maybe if Bitcoin were to pop back to like over 62 to 64K, then maybe Iris will, jump back over and then be like, oh, well, you know what? Since Bitcoin is going back up, maybe it'll go back to like 1350 around there, maybe close to $14. But if it goes the opposite direction, okay, just not financial advice, by the way. So if it rejects here and timber, down to 58,000. Then Iris will definitely take a shat-tastic dump and probably fall within this little area here of support. What was this, around maybe 1050 to $10, 10 to 1050. And if Bitcoin crashes, then you already know miners crash. Not much advice. All right. So just a little thing there. All right. And I don't know if you there. I think also. Let me see. Did I have CLSK here? CLSK. It's not here. It's not here. Could have sworn I saw it. Okay. Ooh, let's look at VIX. What is VIX doing? God. Oh my God, it's respecting that red area here that I have here for a while. Interesting. 20. Those are rookie numbers. You need to pump up those. You need to pump those up. Oh wow. It's gonna double. Ooh. Native is a risky player. Okay. Oh, so you already decided to do that today, huh? So you got that $12 put today. Gotcha. Thank you guys for the likes and all that, and showing the love and showing the vibes. I love it. I love it. I never knew I was gonna be able to do this. All right, so thank you for doing that, Eric, King Kong. What's up, King Kong? Gotcha. Subscribe for the DPs. You already know. Peace and much love to you, man. Much love to your little brother, Eric. I did 330 push-ups for my workout last night. Oh, let me ask you about that, because eventually, once you keep at it, you get more resistant to let's say, for example, if I was doing 100 push-ups a day, I guess 20 reps a set. After a week, I become more resistant and I start doing 30, and it just keeps going up. How long does it usually take for me to get to those amount of push-ups? Because I wanna get ripped. I wanna look shredded and ready to flip my woman around 360. You know. So quickly, the VIX, right? The VIX here, taking a bounce off of this, respecting this box here, this line, this support level. I mean, this range, and I feel like perhaps if we actually pop for Friday, we get ourselves a little morning star pattern there, and maybe we can see VIX hit $13 soon. Back to Wednesday's. Oh, this is Wednesday. Oh shoot. Okay. So it was $13 before. All right. So it's probably just gonna reverse and then do it again. Oh, that's tomorrow. GDP growth rate quarter over quarter final, and durable goods orders month over month. That's both at 8:30 in the morning. Oh my god. Oh, and then Friday is core PCE price index month over month, personal income, and personal spending. Oh, jacked. Oh, it's gonna be a jack. Wow, it's gonna be a crazy next week too. Abs are made in the kitchen. Oh, let me find out. Because it's really stubborn as hell. Just trying to get rid of this freaking belly. You know, this lower part of my belly. It's like a little pouch, and I hate it, but because the rest of my body is like, you know. Like, I don't know why that has to be the most like annoying part of the body that's hard to lose fat. Like, why? Okay, so you started about 1 year ago and just added one push-up a week. But I do T types of push-ups. I use the push-up handle. Oh, I have that Iron Gym thing, you know, the bar that you put on the dorm frame for pull-ups. I actually use that and put it on the floor and do like a variety of push-ups, like wide grip, close grip, supinated, not supinated, but like, you know what I mean, like in a way that it will target like a part of my forearm. So I would do that. But that's true. What Pam says is like 80% diet. It really makes a huge difference, you know. So we need to look into that. By the way, oh shoot, really? Get out of here. Okay, I had this crazy thing here going on for a while. Just doing random ass lines and stuff on the DXY. And this trend, whatever this is, it ended up like respecting this box, this diamond here. Came down a little bit, but then climbed right back over. Came back down, bounced off this line, come back into this range. Oh my god, it's like literally now it's on an uptrend. It's on an uptrend. Hold on, let me just measure this. Say word. Okay, so now this is looking like an ascending triangle. And that's on the 4 hour. So perhaps hit over 106.20. It breaks over 106.20. That's definitely going to cause the market to fall down a lot more. But it looks like it's having a little bit of a pullback. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Come on now. Let me look at the S&P 500 futures right now. Oh, okay, we're having a little bit of a rejection here. Okay, I like this. I like. Damn, I got this the SPY back at 544. Don't do that. See what y'all saying. Yeah, for real. Let's get these numbers up, yo. Let's go. We got Lynn. We got Lynn in the house. Wait, Lynn, are you from Oh, okay. Okay, Lynn. Okay, we got Eric G's daughter in the stream. Let's go. We're gonna get all his family up in here. We're gonna get his primos, the primas, the abuelas, you know, like the aunties, the tios. You gotta get the whole familia in here. Sheesh. Oh, okay. So it's a caloric deficit, basically, along with high protein and eating better and less to burn fat. Body burns sugar, then carbs, then fat. So gotta cut out some sugar. Yeah, you know what? I gotta stop putting sugar into my coffee with milk. But then again, I think I need to stop drinking coffee overall, because it's kind of like making me a little bit more dehydrated. I just noticed, like, I just really noticed that. So I'm gonna have to switch to, like, maybe for another source of boost of caffeine, perhaps tea. I like green tea. You know, I like matcha. I could probably do that because, you know, matcha is my favorite green tea. And I gotta stop eating a lot of those roots, because those are high in carbs too, like yucca, you know, like malanga cocoa, or aka taro, sweet potato. I mean, I like sweet potato, but yeah. Oh, daughter. Okay. Oh, you invest her money. So you got her to trade the SPY too? SQQQ. Invest in her future. That's the way to do it, papi. That's the way to do it. I'm gonna bring the papis, the mami, the tios, the abuelas, las tías. La segunda prima, la tercera prima, la cuarta primas. Oh, honey. I love honey. I love my honey. Oi. Sangre de Heji is the new batch of yes. Not finished device. I appreciate these devices. No, for real. I like this. I've been drinking nothing but water, and it's helped me out. I used to drink a lot of pop. Oh, a lot of sody pop. We were just talking about soda earlier on the stream. We were talking about Squirt. We were talking about something called Cactus Cooler. DP. You know, we was talking about DP. Dr. Pepper. So yeah, even though we shouldn't even be like thinking about soda, but okay, stevia, monk fruit. Talking about the monk fruit, right? Way to go, brother. And Lynn, listen to your papa. You can be ahead of everyone your age and set yourself up. Yes, that is correct. I already know that Eric G got her future in his hands, and like, she's already set. I'm pretty sure she has a whole bunch of AMC too as well. So like, her future is bright. Maybe get some GTII too as well. Do not touch? What is this? Oh, really? Hold on. Oh, you thought she was having one of her moods and was telling you to chillax? Oh, you was telling her to chillax. Yeah, take a chill pill, yo. Take a glass of chillax and sit down. Calm your tits down. That's enough. That's enough. I was just speaking to Robert and the Gazette could very well have the budget in there tomorrow. As a matter of fact, we spoke about this morning. Oh my God! Please, 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 tomorrow, please. There's so much happening tomorrow. Oh my God. Baby, that love so everlasting, so fantastic. You see, I knew it was gonna try to like bounce up a little bit, but we'll wait for a little bit and see if it's actually gonna like break back down. But the DXY is trying to hold up too as well, so it doesn't make sense. Even the VIX here too. Well, I mean it doesn't move during overnight, but damn. Oh. Me gusta, tu corazón es everlasting. Mi amor es el único verdadero en mi corazón. Me gusta tus ojos y tu boca de miel. Honey, honey. Honey, te amo, te amo, te amo, te amo, baby, yo te amo. Yo, JR, speaking of Sangre de Hedgies, what's the latest on GTI, dude? Because like, I've been seeing somewhat of a reversal here happening. And yeah, let's take a quick look at that, by the way. It looks like it's been consolidating for quite some time. And even here, dude, like, we got some green here building up on the MACD. So I don't know if there's something that's potentially brewing. But overall, this here just looking like a cup and handle and ready to break off. I mean, I don't know. I see it. I don't know what you see, but I see some bullish action here potentially happening this coming July. Not financial advice. Let's see how we closed. We closed at a volume of 173.59 thousand shares traded. It looks like it's having a hard time breaking over 12 cents here. And let's take a look at the 4-hour and see how it is. Yeah, it looks like it's just staying within this range here, just consolidating. But literally climbing over, and you can see here through the 9 and 12 EMA clouds, transitioning from bearish to bullish. Here, climbing over and trying to test this 34 to 50 EMA cloud. And once that breaks over, you can definitely see that push up too as well, past 12 cents, 12.5 cents. But for now, we're just seeing this consolidate. So yeah, maybe it's just holding off for something juicy. Uh, and this is crazy because I mean, if this has been the price action so far ever since June 6th, they're really having a hard time, and I think, in my opinion, they're having a lot of trouble. And not only that, my friend, you can just quickly look at chart exchange here and look at the borrow rate for GTII as of right now, and it has been staying above 20. Look, it's still okay. So if you notice, the cost of borrow fee for GTII has been going up, and it's been staying within above 20%. And you know, it hasn't really been changing much, but you can see here as I zoom in el pasado, how the cost of borrow fee here in the past was at, what was it, 20, almost 25% at one point. Oh no, yeah, it was right there at on the 20th of June. And I think from that point it dropped to 18, and it was like falling below as we head back in time. But it's what I like to see though. I would rather see that the cost to borrow continue to climb up, and if it goes over 30%, 40%, then you already know something is definitely going on. I think they're gonna have a lot of trouble for sure, and it's just a matter of time because this is technically the accumulation phase. And let me look at how let's see how it looks like on the weekly. Let's see. Okay. What you got? They removed. They can't knock it down any further. I'm kind of baffled, except we know millions are holding up. They removed that 36 million from the flow, which is good. They got to start cleaning it up, and sky's the limit. Oof. I think I saw a post from Ham on Twitter talking about $4 and change. I don't know if that's like the forecasted price target for GTII in the long term, but if it's, you know, in terms of, you know, cleaning up, you know, some of the, you know, shares, perhaps that could be on the horizon. And you know, from this price all the way up to like $5, and no matter how long you hold it, like let's say like if you did enter at that point, you're literally talking about a over 4,000% gain. Over 4,000% gain. Depending on how they do this, you know, it don't matter if it's like a month long, 2 months long. I mean, hopefully, I wish they can do it in July. July is gonna be a hot month. Besides my birthday, but and 4th of July, but let me see. I think it was the monthly. Yes, it was the monthly, and I was stating how the next month of July has to pretty much do a reversal, and have ourselves a morning star pattern. Let me go back to that. Oh, the thing is still in the way. So pretty much like this. We would have the doji, and then in the month of July for GTII, we would have a big ass candle, bullish candle, which is what I'm just throwing it out there as speculation, but that would be great. That'd be awesome. Yeah, it has. Chris Wilson, what's up, man? How you doing? How you doing? Chris, how was Spy for you? I know that was kind of like crazy, kind of like out of the ordinary. Because the Spy was just pretty much like here. At the end, I mean, in the beginning, this thing did test back and forth here, these two areas, but then it had this freaking crazy rally towards like 11:30, 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and then just started freaking going up and down, pogo sticking, pogo sticking, and now it's like back down. It's back down here. It's now 544.02 on the Spy. Let's see. JR was saying GTI has okay. So yeah, I was gonna go back to that because GTII in the past. We'll just do it on the monthly. All right. So you got this. You had this event happen right around the beginning of February 2021, pretty much after when the whole AMC GME debacle happened. And in 2 months you had a rally from maybe like 8 cents all the way to like almost $5. So that right there was like your little January AMC pop, if you want to put it like that as an example. So that itself was like a 5,500% run. Excuse me. In almost 2 months. Ugh. And then you had the second event that happened here in October of 2022, where you had in just what is this? During the month of September? No. Hold on. I might be doing this a little. Hold on. Okay. So like in the I want to say the third week of September 2022 into like the first week of October, you had that rally take place from around like 65 cents to almost $9. And in 14 days, that was like a over 1,200% run. Let me just measure this again. Oh yeah, it was. Yeah, it was over 5,300, 5,400% in 60 days. So that's crazy. So this had actually a bigger gain, but a longer time frame for this to actually climb up. When this happened, it was literally in like 2. It was like in 2 weeks, over 1,000% gain. So you like it slow and easy, or you like it hard and fast? You decide. Just like that. So then, what would be the scenario for here if we have another event like this and that put together? Would it be slow and steady, and then hard and fast? You know, like maybe, and then or would it just be like, you know, or maybe it would just be like straight up to the freaking stratosphere and atmosphere and then space, which would be crazy. Oh, thank you, Zelly. Said bless you, David. Urban Girl is here too. Shoot. Oh, Rafael Barquero. He said that there were single ladies here. Yeah, we got Jesse Gilbert who just became single again. So yeah, you know, you wanna hook up? Let me know. Speak to Eric G. He could put you on for Jesse. You know what I'm saying? My padrino Eric G told me to come here and check out. He's teaching me. Yo, Eric G he's a teacher. He's pretty much teaching his whole family how to trade. That's awesome. Chris Wilson says SPY is slow. Got options a few weeks out on SQQQ. Yes, yes, I agree. Yo, is there any way to like? Wow, I don't know. I wish I had a way to like pop up the chat here. Just yeah. Hey Lion, I caught one of your lives. Finally, been a minute of watching your videos. Keep it up, thank you. Urban Girl, it's been a while too. It's been ages, so it's great to see you again. Much love. DBMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMMmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmmm Where you are? Where you at? That you're wishing me a good morning. It's 9:53 p.m. Can you add the indicator accumulation distribution on TG fork? What is this? What is TG fork? Okay, hold on. Accumulation, distribution. Accumulation, distribution? Okay, so he said add the indicator accumulation distribution on TG. What is TG fork? What is that though? I wonder what you'll see. You can look it up on TradingView. Yeah, but what is TG fork? Is that the author of the indicator? Because that got me. I'm like, what? Collapse panel? Oh, I can collapse it. Okay, maybe that make it a little easier. Okay, so now what do you want me to do? You want me to like you want me to compare this on the hourly, 4 hour? Like I could do the 4 hour, and I could tell you the accumulation distribution. All right, so how to do this? Accumulation distribution. What is this? Oh, those are the lines. Okay. Weird pattern in DBMM since June 2023. You can look up the explanation. I think I added DBMM here, if I'm not mistaken. Where is it? Wow. Oh no, I don't have it. What? This thing is over 1 billion? Wow. Yeah, because if you think about it, it's like a whole. Huh. Hold on. Wow. This is weird. Oh, you're in bed? Oh, damn. Yeah, dude, this is some weird. Yo, the way this thing has been trading. Oh, this actually came back down to 0042. I remember we were looking at DBMM from this point right here. Wow. Hmm. Okay, hold on. Hold on. All right, let's all learn together. All right, so accumulation distribution indicator, or ADL, is a volume-based indicator which was essentially designed to measure underlying supply and demand. It accomplishes this by trying to determine whether traders are actually accumulating, aka buying, or distributing, aka selling. This is accomplished by plotting a running total of each period's money flow volume. ADL can reveal divergences between volume flow and actual price to primarily either affirm a current trend or to anticipate a future reversal. History: the accumulation distribution line was created by famed stock analyst Mark. Okay, this is just a history. Calculation: so close, low, high, close, high, low, period. Find the money flow multiplier. It takes a lot of math here to learn this. Okay, let's see. The whole accumulation phase is insane since a year, and the thing is, somehow they are able to keep the price clamped at one level. Right. And just to see how that, like, I'll show you in a second. But price. Okay, so ADL trending up. Price trending down. Price later reverses into a major uptrend. So the ADL starts to climb up. Okay, oh, that's the bearish divergence. Okay, that's a lot to look into. I'm gonna have to like go in deep. Yeah, I would have to definitely go in deep. Let me actually do something. Because you said from 2023. Wow, that is actually crazy. Because look, you have here at this point here, which was like around 1 billion. Let's see, was this 1 billion? 1 billion and 5, or 1.5 billion. And it just continued to rise throughout the months leading into 2024 and then up to now. And yet the price here in the beginning of this incline on the accumulation distribution, the price had been going down. So then it consolidated here, then it started to go down a lot more, and then this started to climb up a lot more, then it started to pop and then consolidate again into this range while it's still climbing. This is crazy. But we're in a bearish divergence on the RSI and possibly in the MACD. So what is going on? Could this be like peaking out then? Because right now you're seeing the ADL peaking. It's actually peaking out right here, and it looks like it's trying to turn back around going into the month of July. But at the same time, the price looks like it's looking bearish, in my opinion. So my thought process is that, maybe at 2 zeros and 3, and then maybe After that, probably see a reversal. Cause look, you still have some room here in the RSI to go and hit the floor until it's lava, and then start to bounce right back over, and then try to see that price reversal. And then I don't know if that's when, I don't know if I'm wrong on this, but maybe that's when the ADL starts to turn back around and starts to come back down. I don't know. Wait, what is what? Wait, what are we doing here? Momo's in the ha ha ha. No, ADL. Talking about the accumulation distribution. Let me. You know what? Hold on. Huh. So basically, ADL. I mean, it shows the accumulation distribution level, which can be used for confirming trends or reversals via divergence. Okay. It can also replicate PVT and OBV via options in the input. OBV is too simple and has serious flaws. Chalkin's ADL is a broken indicator and can be seen in the chart. AD level addresses the flaws in these two indicators. It simply sums up portions of the volume that contributes to price change. These portions are visualized in dark green and red. Okay. Huh. Interesting. Yeah, that's a lot to look into. That's a lot of information. Holy crap. I'm gonna have to go on YouTube. I'm gonna have to go on YouTube for that and just do some research. Alright, so Momo's in the chat. How's everything with you, Momo? Of course. Bringing the familia. Did he hit the like button? He's not late. Thank you for the like, guys. Thank you for showing the love again as well, and vibing with Lion in the Lion's Den and Tavern. Get yourself a beer and crack it open and drink and relax. All right. Let's see. Some are complaining in X about the miserable price, and this is the most bashed stock on iHub. So you're talking about DBMM being the most bashed stock? Because the price action, it doesn't really, it kind of doesn't make sense to me, and especially with that accumulation on the rise, throughout all those months. I don't know. It has to break to the upside, but it's still clamped on one level. Corrupt, yeah. Either that or the broker falls and sheds itself and has to cover, and then you see DBMM finally do something, or it's gonna stay clamped and suppressed for a bit more. That's how I see it right now. I'm good typing fast. I saw your chat from the other stream. You didn't want to hit the like. Ooh. Momo, I sent him a RH link. Get my free stock. Not financial advice. Accumulated to the max must break. There's no other way. Zelly, yeah, I don't know about showing up like that. Hello? Yeah, it's whatever. Sub line. King Kong was here. He had to work. Pay attention. Blah, blah. Oh, I thought it was a picture of Krispy Kreme for some reason. I don't know why. It's hot outside. Yes, it's hot. Caliente. It was hot over here too. It was like 95. But now it's like storming. There's like a severe thunderstorm over here. So Zelly says I need my coffee. I can't type or read. Yeah, you do need your coffee. You do need it. Lion DZ showed up at Mark. Yeah, I was wondering what happened. He was actually on here. He came on here. He came on here. Here he is. DZ came on here at 8:29 p.m. to say you're getting better at titles. Press like. And then that was it. And then he left. I was wondering, yeah, he must be a really busy man. Just pops in and then says what's up, hit the like, and then leave. I'm like, okay. So I'm like, I was trying to find out what happened, but you know, it's whatever. I don't know why. What you thinking? Yeah. Jeez. Yeah, as a matter of fact, let me look at DBMM. What is that saying right now? The cost to borrow. Oh. Oh wow. So it's funny. It's actually up with GTII's cost to borrow fee at around 23%, with 6,100,000 shares available to borrow. So somehow it's the cost of borrow fee is a little bit high. I kid you not. You know, I feel like DBMM could have somewhat of another type of, how do you call it? Where are we at? I'm looking at the patterns right now. Let me see something. Maybe through here? Let me see. Here? Let me see. What's that look like? What does that look like? You imagine things like this happen and I'm like, what the fuck? Look at, hey. Look at. I just wanted to do this for fun. So I created a bars pattern from here at that point and just brought it over here. I just brought it over here and now I'm like, okay, so you imagine this actually like fulfilled and came into fruition, and then all of a sudden we just saw this like freaking pop up. That would be crazy. I'm gonna keep that there for reference. But imagining if it actually came back down and you accumulated around this price and actually went over here. This is a pretty much over a 440% move. Just from there and up there. I never really messed with bars pattern like that, honestly, but we'll see. See what happens. Bash 24/7 looks like a bit of OBV staying high in AMC, but AMC is controlled by the big boys. DBMM is not. It's very suspicious. Yeah, not a lot of control. It's on the OTC. You only got one prime broker handling it and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? So you know what I'm saying? Like, it's suppressed, but like anything crazy afterwards, I feel like maybe, just maybe. Oh wait, let me see something here. Oh, 2 cents. 2 cents. What if we bring this up higher? Let me see. Can I do this? Whoa, what was that? That was wild. Whoa. Hold on. Okay. That was crazy. Can I actually move this? No, I want it. Damn. I can't do it. Just leave it like that. Elliott wave analysis points to 0.3, 0.6. I actually did the Elliott wave. As a matter of fact, here. Let me see if I have it on the other chart. I know I had it here on this chart. All right, look. Got the yellow theme going on here. All right, DBMM on the daily, right? Now you see it. Now you see it hit below. It looks bearish. It looks bearish because now the 7-day SMA is touching the 200, and it looks like it's about to come back down. Test this low here at 0.0035. Or it could do this. Look, it could do this thing again, where it touched, broke under, and then comes back over the 200-day SMA, and then climb back over, which could be potential. This is pretty much like pogoing up and down, like just straight in that range. The MACD 5 and 1 here also shows this, because you see it here. It last touched around this level, and it pulls back, comes to touch here again at that same level, and then does a reversal. So that's also a possibility, and then you will see DBMM bounce once again. Same thing here. This is the Elliott wave oscillator plus the TTM squeeze. So the thing with this is that when you see this turn from orange to like a fire red, a fire orange, dark, whatever you want to call this, red, it's getting hot. So when that happens, the price is actually coming back up too as well. All right. So again, here I'll show you real quick. All right. This gets hot. Stock starts to move up. All right. So if this happens again, this is definitely gonna do that. It's gonna pull back and then try to go back up too as well and retest. That is my opinion. That's what I'm seeing on this thing right now. Yeah. It could easily, yeah, just drop a couple, and then just pogo back up to 0.005 or 0.006, because it looks like that's pretty much the range where it's been respecting, from pretty much the middle of February all the way till now. So let's see. Pam was saying he's put a lot of time in his channel. He may need to recharge a minute. Yeah. What do you look for first in a stock? Well, that's an interesting question. I like to look at where the price is at. On top of that, I like to look at. As a matter of fact, let's look at let's use a stock for example. Unless you have a stock that you want me to use as an example and show what I like to look for. Oh my god, I totally forgot I did this. I did this bars pattern a while back, and it's literally taking the bearish route. I mean, it's not really. You know what? I don't know. Do you see it? It looks like a kind of. Oh shoot! Hold on. That is insane. Hold on. Huh. I have this thing. Yo, I have this thing going to like 40K. BTC going to 40K around the mid July. If that shit fulfills, oh my god, dude. I'm like, what? Again, I don't have a crystal ball. Stocks, GTII, also many others, yeah. He don't have time for YouTube. He's always busy and talking to clients. I think that's the difference. I feel like if I were to build something, you know, build a brand, build a community, and all that stuff, I like to engage a lot. I really like to talk and conversate and learn from everybody and what they see. And you see, like right now, like we're just conversating. We're here, you know, just observing, brainstorming on different stocks. AWRE. Let's look at AWRE. Wait a minute. Hold on. When the hold on. Okay, you see now, Chris. Did you mention AWRE to me? Back a while ago? I think it was you. Because look, I had a channel here going. I was like, yo, let me just put this here and let me just make a channel. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. I will soon. Yo, let me. You see? I was like, yo, you know, I looked at the ticker and when you mentioned it, I was like, wait, that sounds familiar. So yeah, I did this, and you said it's been since last week. Okay. So all of, you know, what we're looking for is obviously, you know, since we got the channel going, is for the stock to respect the channel. And let's see, since you said last week, which was the week of the 17th. So here you see how it actually did bounce off of this trend line, and it was at so it was at 186, and then this thing actually went up to 206. Slow moving, but decent trend so far, because now we have the 7-day SMA. It was hanging around the 50 and now it's crossed over. So it's, you know, pretty much like having this nice bullish, it's converging pretty much. And also, if you see here, this thing got hot and it started to climb up. Now it's on, the momentum is to the upside. So I look for that. Let's look at the 24-hour. What on earth is this? That is weird. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Maybe I should look at it on the 4-hour. Even on the 4-hour, it's having a nice bounce off from the 50-day SMA off the 200. So that's even like giving me more sentiment towards the bullish side. and knowing that this can actually climb back over $2, and then it won't happen right away. It would take some time if the trend continues, and then you'll see this test this trend line here around like 240, 250, depending on how the stock performs and what positive news is happening and all that stuff. Let me look at it from the weekly. So as of June 17th, no, actually, wait, what am I talking about? So as of October 30th, 2023, yeah, this has been pretty a pretty slow moving stock, and I feel like when it comes to that, I think it performs a lot better rather than a stock that moves pretty quickly and has a lot of volatility. So that's one of the things that you would want to look for, in my opinion. And now it's like, okay, so now we're at that accumulation phase, and investors are liking the price because they think it's attractive. So now they all want to start to, jump back in, and then you see this like respecting an upward channel, going back up, testing new day highs. And then you look back here in the history of the stock too, you can see that at some point it was back here too as well. Long time ago. And it's like a whole new cycle all over again, So now it's like going through it again. Perhaps in the future we'll see back, over $4. So that's one of the other things that you'd like to see as well, like to look for in a stock. This thing was, what the hell? Did this go through like any reverse stock splits, or I know we went through it before, but let me see something. No. Okay, it's never gone through any reverse stock splits at all, and mainly because it stayed above $1 as well, so it's not really at risk of delisting or anything like that. So that's a good thing. Let me look at the cost of borrow. Wow. Cost of borrow fee. Oh, that's pretty low. So it's like a stable stock. What is this about, by the way? I'm gonna look into it. NFA, by the way. NFA. So an overview of this company. Okay, so it's in the packaged software industry, technologies sector. It's a biometrics software and services company. The firm's products are used in government and commercial biometric systems, which are capable of determining or verifying an individual's identity. Oh, shoot. Oh, biometric systems, fingerprints and stuff like that, I'm guessing. It also provides interoperable, standards compliant, field proven biometric functionality used to capture, verify, format, compress, and decompress biometric images, as well as aggregate, analyze, process, and transport those images within biometric systems. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Say word. Biometrics is it's been a thing of the future. Everything is being run by biometrics too, and the way that we identify ourselves and verify. And you just imagine like all that you can imagine, like they could be able to make just to do that. fingerprints, facial recognition, like your voice. I think that's wild. Let me switch. I'm gonna switch back to the other chart. I'm gonna check this. Are you in this? Are you in this for the long term or short term? Hmm. Looks like 205 is 205 is a heavy resistance. Interesting. Let's look at the hourly. Yeah, this is actually very slow moving. The wow, and the volume for today was only 15.10 thousand shares traded. The average volume is only 36.50K, but the market cap is 41.54 million. What's the shares float? 12.41 million. Wow, that's pretty quiet. That is pretty quiet. Everything is switching to biometrics ID, dirt cheap, long term. Shoot. Does it have any options? Let's see if there's any options. Maybe it's just better to do. Oh, there is. But I doubt that there's any volume in these options chains for calls. Yeah, look at that. Barely any open interest. The the spread is crazy. Doesn't make any sense. Leaps, not even. Yeah, it's better to just go with shares, not financial advice. That is dirt cheap. Is there any? Well, obviously there's no dividends yet, but that's not bad. It'd be nice to put in a couple of Dow, in my opinion, and then just have it swing for the long term, for sure. Under 5, you're in. Oh, wait, you actually got this under 5. Oh shoot. So it was back here in wow, this was back in February 2021. Wow, it actually had a big rally from 250, 260 all the way to 630 something and change around there. 650. Wow. I mean, shoot. I mean, it's pretty much back at the phase here on the bottom. So if you're looking to average down and build your position, I mean that's one way to do it, and hold for the long term. Non-financial advice, YouTube. Non-financial advice. Let's see. Let's look at the summary. Is a buy. Moving averages is in a strong buy. That's on a daily, so that's one thing right there. Financials. Is it financials? Hold on. I'm looking for price targets. Where is it? Do I not see it? Where is what? Am I blind, or it doesn't show no analyst rating for aware? Is there no price targets for this? Nah, Zelly is having her coffee and having her time. relaxing and probably falling asleep to this music. Oh. See if you can figure this out. What's that thing called again? That game? I think it's Pictionary. Forgot. All right, so I'm actually gonna add this. Let me add this. Thank you, by the way, Chris, for that call out there, and also for putting out aware. So I'm gonna keep an eye on that and see what happens. And they have earnings here on July 30th, Tuesday. So I'm gonna keep an eye on that. But you see, it's a nice trend though. Overall though, it's nice. I like how this looks. Staying above the 180, 200, slowly climbing. I like that. That's how you know the stock is like it's a stable stock. Goes a long way. Oh my god, wait a minute. DJT. Really? You see, it's so obvious. Oh my god, it's so obvious. It's blatantly obvious. Like the way it's just they don't want us to know about it, right? I'm good. I can always find my way back to the lion's den. Wait, what do you lions? Yeah, they're gonna be waiting in the lion's den with some chains and stuff. So yeah, look. So DJT, clear as day. You had yourself a freaking double bottom, and pretty much respecting this area, even though of course it's not accurate. Okay, but hold on. I gotta play. No, I like this one. I don't know why I like this song. Anyways, yeah, so you see it pretty much here. This was obvious. Like, if you saw this like coming, you would have known, okay, well, I'm gonna add into some calls and do like a 40 a $40 call for July 19th, and that shit would have been printing right now for sure. That's a great example right there. And then you'll see July 19th, $40 calls up almost 14%. We'll look at it in the stock chart here. So you see from there, what was this? June 20th? So June 20th, right here. Boom. Nice looking doji candle, kind of sort of like a bullish hammer candle, which definitely gave you that confirmation of a reversal real hard. And because of that, look at how this trended here. This is on the 5-minute chart here for this $40 call July 19th. This thing, you could have gotten in at $40 a pop for every contract and gotten out today at like 5:30 on the ask. That is a massive return right there. Massive return. I wish I would have paid attention to that, huh? Damn it. Gosh darn it. That would have worked out in my favor for sure, and everybody else too as well. Lord. That was such an easy, like, oh my god, I'm frustrated. Once she's chained in the lion's den, she can't leave ever. She's trapped forever. Yeah, it's freaking massive. It definitely looks like it still has potential. Honestly, because look, even here in the MACD, it just crossed. We had this nice bullish signal, the arrow going up, and the RSI still hasn't. The white line still hasn't broken over the orange, so I feel like it still has potential to try to break 40 over 42, 44 bucks. So that's I'm telling you, that's a nice return, yo. DJT be trading perfect swings. Like, no joke, this is like a day trader's wet dream, swinger's wet dream, just freaking swinging this thing. Options. So easy. It's like, oh, the double top. Oh, double bottom. That's right, Eric G. That's right. That is right. P. So you're pretty much here faced with potential breakout past 40 bucks, and if it rejects, it comes back down to 34. If bearish, let's see. Well, I wonder if DJT is actually trading on the 24-hour market. It is. Okay, it is trading on the 24-hour market. So it's down at 38.65. So it's down a little bit. 38.65, so it's like around here. It's not bad. It's just holding up. But the trend overall, though, the trend is looking strong. Especially when this just transitioned from bearish to bullish. Very nice. Intriguing. So then, let me see. So DJT. I mean, that would only be the most reasonable option we got going on here. I mean, like you have, look at this. You got no volume whatsoever, barely for the 41 to 44 strike, but from 45, 50, 55, 60 around there, you have massive amounts of open interest and volume. So even though they're quite expensive in a way, like in my opinion, if if let's say DJT goes up to $45 and you got yourself a 60, whatever, it's still gonna actually move. It's still gonna move regardless. You'll make a good, you make a good amount of percentage back for sure. But that's non-financial advice, Raphael. All right. Remember, you play at your own risk. You play it safe. All right. That'll be on your quiz. So remember that is still on the works there to make some moves. Look, even on the hourly, perfect trend on the hourly too as well. Beautiful. So you already know we're looking for 44, 45 for the next level of resistance. All right. How is the cost of borrow fee? Huh? I wonder about that. Oof. It dropped from 226.59% to 85. But they lost shares. They just lost shares from 20,000 shares available to borrow to now 100. 100 shares. That could be a problem for the shorts. So there goes another factor there, and another reason for perhaps more activity to happen in DJT. Also, let's see what's happening in the news real quick. LinkedIn co-founder criticizes Trump. Oh God. Trump media's $6 billion valuation compared to Meta. What's going on? They just want money. They just want money from him. Sick bastards. I'm gonna hang in here for a little bit more, and then I'm gonna end the stream soon. Because my ass hurts, you know. Signal. Discord. Need attention now. I used to read the kids used to proofread his essays. Bro, you're like his dad too. Ralph, oh my God. Which is the other one that you like? You like Don't Study? No. I like this one, yeah. Tectonic plates. Oh yeah. Uh oh, ice cubes. All right. Wait. Okay, hold on. I'm a. You know, I'm gonna add. I'm gonna add because you know what I did last time here was and what's funny, I added here just a test back in April 17. Back in April 17 when I did this, it was like a May 17 $35 strike call, and it was like 231, and then this thing like ripped up to like 440 and made gains. Could have done it again. Could have done it again. Yeah, I'm afraid to open this DM by Moistly. Damn it, Moistly. God. Should I open it? What if it's rated R stuff? I don't know. Open it. I won't risk it. All right, so let's see. Text. Oh, what is this? Direction technology bear 3 times shit. Yeah. Wait. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Hold on. This sort of looks like it sort of looks like SQQQ in a way. Let me see something. Hold on. Yeah, it does. You see this, Chris? Yo, Chris, it's literally like exactly like the same same pattern as text. Look at that. It's no different. Maybe again, watch. SQQQ. Boom. Text. Boom. But this is 3 times. I'm pretty sure this means 3 times leverage. It's also very hot lava on the floor, so it's looking to bounce back on the RSI and all that, and follow with SQQQ. Pretty much follows, yeah. It's got a dividend of what? Oh, 8 cents. 8 cents per share. Every quarter. Huh. It's not bad. Compared to SQQQ, let's see, how much does this pay? 16 cents at $8 every quarterly. 8 cents. No, 16 cents. So I mean, what would you prefer? I mean, would you prefer? Oh, okay. You know what? That is interesting, actually. Have you played options for TECS? Let's see. Oh. Oh. Not a lot of volume though, to be honest. It's interesting. Let's see. Yeah, that is weird. I think it's more of a more to just buy shares and swing. There's literally, bro, volume's dead here. This is like not even, yeah. Except for like expiring July 19th. There's some volume and some open interest for the $6 strike, which is pretty much almost in the money. I guarantee you is gonna be in the money tomorrow, without a doubt. $7 strike too, possibly. Hmm. That's weird. Um. Yeah, I really think. Yeah, shares to write up, and then shares to write up for TECS and options to run on SQQQ. It'll be like some type of like process where you like you go up in SQQQ, make money. What the heck? Hey, don't do that. Don't do that. I'll mess you up. Um, dividend was paid off though today. Was it today? Yeah, it was. No, it was yesterday. Um, yeah, shoot. Momo, what? Let me check. Oh, shoot. Am I supposed to see charts or the chat? Oh, okay. I might. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure that out. Possibly some technical difficulties. I don't know. There's been some experiences lately. I don't know what's up. You gotta look into it. Hmm. I think pretty much like anything bear is soon like it's gonna make some decent moves for sure. And the fact that like you're accumulating and the fact that you're banking on dividends too as well. So that's perfect. I mean that goes for both, Tex and SQQQ. And they're pretty much doing the same exact thing. Like you said, they both follow each other. And then the potential for this to actually blow off the top once shit hits the fan for the market. I mean that's definitely a no-brainer. Definitely a no-brainer. So hey, Momo, you better not be giving my Discord any viruses. Messing with my Discord, man. Let's look back and see what's going on with Actually, hold on. I'll add that there too as well. I'll add text in there on the list. Let's look quickly and see what ES S&P 500 futures are doing right now. Darn it. 10 minutes. Okay, so it did climb over just a little bit to reject off the 34 to 50 EMA cloud, and now it's trying to hold up a trend. Like, what is this? Oh, because this actually transitioned here. It just turned around and it turned green, but now it's trying to go flat. So if it does that and it starts to do one of these little things, like this. Hold on. Like this. And then turn back down and turn red. Then this will start to come back down and retest its lows. But it looks like it's holding up here. These levels. Damn, man. I was hoping we would all witness like a 5% correction for tonight, and just see like, oh my god, like a sell off. Oh shoot. Pam probably knocked out in the car listening to this music and to the stream. I must have that type of effect. I don't know, but sorry, long-term plays, not get rich tomorrow. Yeah, everything takes a process. It takes a lot of patience. Chris is right. Patience pays. That's why you got the pay and patience. And that's how things are, you know? That's how things go sometimes in life. Because she was doing Uber. She was doing Uber, but it was dead. And she's doing DoorDash and all that stuff. Where is it? Where is it? Oh shoot. It only goes up to a certain amount of time. That sucks. Shoot. Hey, when that happens. Let's look quickly and see what happened to GME. What happened to GME before we end the stream? What on earth happened? What is this? This is interesting because here when I did that video, pretty much drew like somewhat like a ascending triangle. No, descending triangle was it? Refresh my memory. Oh, okay, it was like a descending triangle. And then for some reason it actually hit a wall and it said ouch. It hit this 3450 EMA here at like 25 and change. 25.28. Then just completely started selling back down. I think this was also like market driven too as well because we did see a sell off at the very end. But what if it retests over this triangle and then starts to bounce back up? That could also be a possibility. So we look here in the hourly. On the hourly, Well, it looks like it's been consolidating throughout the rest of after market hours. So you could probably see this breakout. Where is this at? 2420. Okay. So 2420 has to stay above 2420. If it hits a little bounce and then maybe this is new. Hold on. How do I do this? Hold on. My bad, guys. I'm here trying to experience that. Maybe, just maybe, it's doing somewhat of a bull flag. And then maybe a breakout back to 25 before Friday or before this week is over. Or this can actually turn back around and unfortunately fill right back into this triangle and come back down to 22, 23 maybe, because this was a level of support right around here. So I want to say like maybe around there. Oh, Clark is in here. All right. Is it possible the entire stock market runs off of an algorithm and the news has no influence at all on the stock market, only the algorithm? Clark and Julie, what's up? How you doing? Clark and Julie, what's up? How you doing? Let's see. So I mean, I mean, when Jerome Powell talks, I mean, he pretty much affects the algorithms and the way the market trades. Opens his mouth, and either he's hawkish or dovish, and then he pretty much like controls the narrative of like what happens to the market in a way. But then again, it's mostly algorithms, in my opinion. Some news. I mean, I don't. I think it goes way deeper than that, Clark. Because there's always other factors that can also lead us to believe that the market is controlled in a way, or aka managed in a way. I don't know. It could just be me. But overall, like the way that GME, for example, has been running its course, there's always like something that comes out, and then all of a sudden, like it has a reaction. But then sometimes their motive is to, kind of trap people in a way and be like, oh my God, but I thought, we would actually rock it, to 26 or 27 before Friday, but then hits a huge wall, and then something happens, and then now we're back down to where we started here, back to support at like 23 or 23.50 or something like that, But until that day doesn't arrive yet, I mean, we're still gonna experience this type of suppression and all that. But I mean, there is a lot of struggle going on the other side, so I feel like, in some ways, regardless of what they try to do, the inevitable is still yet to happen. And a lot of them on the other side is going to find out, because they effed around for too much, for too long, dug themselves a deeper hole, and now they have to somehow pay back for all of that. And that means, stocks like GME, AMC, and others that were taken advantage of and abused and manipulated and all this stuff. And you already know the deal. You already know the story. They're going to have to pay back everything. Everything they've taken away from us. Everything. It's gonna be a huge victory for retail. Huge. What is this? Ryan Cohen made $60 million selling Bed Bath & Beyond stock. Some board members worried secrets were passed to him. Ooh, secrets. A board member of Bed Bath & Beyond was concerned that some of her fellow directors shared inside information with Ryan Cohen before the investor abruptly dumped his stake in the company 2 years ago, according to newly revealed excerpts of testimony provided for a lawsuit. Let's see, quote unquote, I certainly had questions about that. When asked how many other members had concerns about Cohen's board allies signaling quote unquote information to him, she added, I would, venture to say that probably most of them. God, it's a lot of drama. It's going back and forth. All right. Oof. Okay. 5 minute. Still rejecting. Maybe a little head and shoulders. Maybe a little sell back. Come back down. RSI here looking bearish too as well, and the MACD having some signals here on the bearish side because he had tried to break below 5524 in a few moments. But I think for now I think we can just call it a night. All right, y'all. Because again, my booty hurts, and sitting on this chair is not, it's not pleasant because there's not enough cushion. All right. Um. By the way, you're welcome, Zelly, for that request and for me playing the song for you because I know you love it so much. And listen, just word of mouth, not financial advice. Just keep doing what you got to do. Keep hedging against, what's to come. Keep building your positions. You already know you're set. You're in it to win it. You're in for the ride. And that's it. All right. So let's try to all, focus for tomorrow, because as you know, as we mentioned, tomorrow is wait, where is it? Oh, I think I gotta go to Bitcoin for that. Okay, yeah. So for tomorrow, you already know we got GDP growth rate quarter over quarter final at 8:30 in the morning, and durable goods orders month over month. Then on Friday, you have personal spending, personal income month over month, and core PCE price index month over month. Is that CPI I see there? CPI, or are we actually going to see some CP truth? Damn it. So stay tuned until the next. And so yeah, everybody, my neck hurts, my body hurts, my booty hurts. I gotta stand up and stretch and meditate. And by all means, keep manifesting, keep meditating, positive vibes for everybody. All right. Stay focused. You already know what you guys got to do, all right, to combat against this potential inevitable downfall of the markets. And just have patience. Patience is everything in life, and patience pays. Um, but I would like to give a shout out to everybody that came through tonight for the stream. It means a lot to me. You know, it means a lot that we have these conversations. We learn from each other. We brainstorm. We have our opinions, and of course, this stream was strictly in our opinion. YouTube. And not financial advice. This was only for educational and entertainment purposes only, and that you are your own decision maker of your own money and your investments as long as you're trading safely and you know your levels and you know your risks, as long as you're making money. And thank you, Eric, for bringing your family by. I'm still waiting on your tios and tias and second primos, second primas, and all that. And I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best here. It's hard with with work. Your 9 to 5s, Monday to Friday. I wish I can. I wish I can stream. During the day, but you know, got things going on. And yeah, we're gonna definitely reach that plateau of 500, and then 1,000, and then so forth. And then we're just gonna grow and grow together. 1,000,000%. So much love to everybody. Thank you all. My voice is starting to, break right now. It's groggy. I'm getting tired. Ay ay ay. I need some of that honey now. And we're gonna see you in the next. All right, the next one. Some Momo. We got Momo, Eric G, Chris Wilson, Panther. You know, you got Clark and Julie. We had Pamela Law. We had Jesse Juby. You know, we had Ralph. We have Lynn. Um, what we got? What we got? What we got in the list? What we got in the list? We have DBM, and then we had DZ show up for a little bit. Urban Girl, Big JR, Big Man. Thank you for coming by. Yo, who else we got? Who else we got? What we got? Who we got in here? The Tecate family. uh Ling and King Kong. Well, I got Ling. King Kong. There you go. King Kong was missing. I can't believe I forgot about King Kong. King Kong. It was a pleasure meeting all of the family. Shoot. Is that it? If I'm missing anybody, let me know. But other than that, uh, thank you, and we'll see you. I'll see you. I'll pop in on DZ stream for a little bit, and I'll see you tomorrow. So you guys take care and have a great night. Yeah, the list is probably gonna like grow longer and longer. I'm gonna make longer shout outs. Oh my gosh. So it's gonna be to the point where I'm just gonna be like shout out to everybody who showed up. Oh no, because Zelly, you're we you save the best for last because you're the one and only, and I give you the biggest shout out. So thank you, Zelly, for everything that you do. I appreciate you. Much love, giant hugs, big hearts, giant besos, and thank you, thank you. You already know how it is. So now, I wish you all sweet dreams, good night, a better tomorrow, more gains. No distractions. No distractions. All right? Keep focused. Because 1 minute can be crucial, and that 1 minute could cost you. So be on point. And I'll see you all mañana. Take care, everybody. Peace out. Line of old trades. Oh, shoot. Johnny Rodriguez. Johnny Lunchtime Rodriguez. Forgot about that. Damn. Johnny Rodriguez. Oh, man. Johnny Late Night Snack Time Rodriguez. Shout out to you. All right. Take care, everybody. Come on, we're at 461. We're at 461. Mark, damn, Mark R in the chat, still here. Damn, trades.
Rockets in the chat. Rockets in the chat. Boom, boom, candles, baby. Yeah.
Mark R, missed you, bro. My goodness. Better late than never. Yeah, now you gotta recap almost 4 hours of footage. Lamp on, lamp off. God. Cuatro seis uno. Yes. 461 subs. Let's just keep it going. Let's been able to let's share this out. Just tell him, yo, just subscribe. We're trying to get him to 10,000 subs right now. Let's go. Yeah. Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it? Mark R has been busy, super busy at work. He's busy grinding and hustling. We are the working people. We are the 1%. You know what is due? Coming soon. Be getting paid. Oh yeah, we getting paid. We getting paid. We are getting paid very soon. Very soon, getting paid. It's about the wealth transfer. We gonna be selling our house at $2 million right now and waiting for the housing crash and then buying back at 200,000. Yeah. Because we're gonna fight and win against the system. Yeah. We're gonna win against the corruption. Yeah. Ooh. We're gonna make this money. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Good night, everybody. Thank you, everybody. Yeah, you have a blessed night. Sleep easy. Right. See you tomorrow. Take care. Peace out. Mark R, love you, man. Everybody, love you. Mi amor, te quiero. Te amo.